Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Tangem Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. But before we do, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Over the last year or so, the entire crypto market has been extremely volatile, and there has been a lot of scams, a lot of rug pulls, a lot of companies going under, going bankrupt completely, and a lot of investors losing millions and millions of dollars. Also, regular people like you and me losing all of their money, losing all of their crypto simply because the exchange or the platform or the bank or whatever went under, went bankrupt, and now they are no longer in the space. So as I make this video right now, there's literally no trust in the crypto space. You cannot trust any exchange, any platform, any bank, any app. Everything has a lot of risk, and you never know what will go under next. That is why it is extremely important to own the crypto that you are holding. If you hold it on any exchange, you are exposing yourself to a ton of risk. You have to control your own private keys. You have to have full custody of your crypto if you want to be safe. That is why I believe everyone should have a Tangem wallet. These wallets, in my opinion, are amazing, and they will help you de-risk some of your positions. The Tangem wallet is made in Switzerland using some of the most secure chips out there. The same chips that are used in passports and credit cards are used in these Tangem wallets. The Tangem wallet lets you store your crypto assets secure and easily accessible while keeping your private keys contained in your card. Also, I highly recommend going over to their website. Link will be in the description box below, and watching this full video. Obviously, I cannot play it. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but this video explains it perfectly, and I highly recommend you guys watch it. So you can purchase a pack of 2 cards or 3 cards, and you are able to connect up to 3 cards to one wallet. So you'll always have a way to use your wallet if your main card is lost, stolen, or damaged. Also, the Tangem cards are extremely durable. You can literally take one, freeze it, put it in your refrigerator, and it will still work. Or if you accidentally leave it in your pocket and you wash your pants in the washing machine, they will still work. They are very, very durable. Obviously, I do not recommend you freeze them and leave them in your freezer. What happens if your house catches on fire? Then you have to struggle, you have to dig them out of the ice while your house is burning. So obviously, find a better secure place to keep these cards. With the Tangem wallet, you can store Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance, XRP, Solana, and a ton of other coins. This wallet supports over 2,500 different coins and tokens. So you have a huge variety of coins to choose from. Unlike other wallets that support like 5-10 different coins, with the Tangem wallet, you can store meme coins, NFT projects. Literally, there are a ton of different choices. The Tangem wallet is also DeFi compatible. You are able to connect it with different exchanges, buy NFTs, make loans and deposits in more than 100 different decentralized applications using Wallet Connect. Applications such as Uniswap, OpenSea, Compound, Aave, Curve, 1inch, SushiSwap, and a ton of other platforms. And all you need is your phone and the cards, nothing else. One other thing that I would like to mention, your private keys are generated and stored on the chip inside of these cards. So you will not even know your own private keys. Everything will be encrypted in the chip. So if somebody tries to rob you for your crypto and they're like, tell me your private keys or else, you won't know your private keys. They won't be able to rob you. Obviously, guys, this is a pro and a con. The pro obviously being it is super secure. No one will know your private keys, not even you. It will be encrypted in this card. So whoever controls the cards controls your wallet. The con is some people want to know their private keys. They want to write them down. They want to store them somewhere and all of that stuff. So it all depends on your situation. Also, the Tangem wallets are spreading like wildfire. They have already produced over 500,000 cards, and they have sold them in over 170 different countries. But personally, one of the biggest benefits of these wallets is keeping control of your crypto. I have been rug pulled before, scammed multiple times, lost thousands and thousands of dollars on platforms that went under and locked my crypto, pretty much lost a ton of money over the last year or so. So I have learned a lot of lessons the hard way. That is why I am keeping the majority of my crypto off of exchanges, off of these risky platforms, and I'm keeping control of my keys, of my crypto. And the way things are headed right now, more platforms, more exchanges, more banks are going to go bankrupt, and a lot more people are going to lose a lot more of their crypto. That is why I highly recommend taking your crypto off of these exchanges and putting them in a safer place. Also, if you are interested in purchasing the Tangem wallets, and let's say you want to purchase the pack of 3 for $55.90. So on the checkout page, if you type in TCM and you press apply, instead of paying $55.90, you will only pay $50.31. You'll be able to save yourself a little bit of money. And if you decide to go for the 2-pack, instead of paying $43.90, if you use the TCM discount code, you will only pay $39.51. So spending 50 bucks can potentially save you thousands of dollars that you will not lose in case these exchanges or these platforms go bankrupt. So I highly recommend getting yourself one of these wallets. Alright everybody, that pretty much concludes this video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.